Hey y'all, let's spend a few minutes talking about your PM skincare, okay? I just got out of the shower and one of the first things that I did was I exfoliated my face, which our polishing exfoliator is actually made with volcanic ash. It's awesome. And what it does, it's gonna get the dry, dead skin cells off of your face and it's gonna open up your pores. It's absolutely an amazing product, but to me, all of our products are amazing. And then I use my 3-in-1 cleanser, which is your cleanser, your toner, and your exfoliator all in one. I do that in the shower. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use our Miracle in a Bottle, our climate control. It is absolutely the purest form of hydration that you can possibly give to your skin. Anything that ails your skin, from eczema, rosacea, dermatitis, poison ivy, poison oak, a skin burn, a skillet burn, a sunburn, anything that ails your skin, climate control is what you've been looking for, I promise. And you just simply spray that, just a few squirts on your face. And while that's on there, I'm going to go ahead and add my new Cine-Serum C, because y'all know that when we're born with collagen and elasticity into our skin, right? And as we get older, we lose that. And that's all that I put in my hand. I'm just going to simply rub those little beads together. And I'm going to rub all this in my face at the same time and my neck. Girls, I'm going to tell you something. As we get older, my gosh, we should so take care of our skin, because you know what? If we don't take care of our skin now, it is certainly not going to take care of us later. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. If you have not tried Synergist, I just don't know why. Oh, you're so missing out. And this is our PM night cream, which is packed chock full of vitamins A and D and all kind of other good stuff. And everything that I am putting on my face contains our signature Cineplex Complex, which is a kinetic enzyme which makes your skin cells come to the top faster, and it makes them renew around the clock. It's absolutely amazing. Everything that we have has that, okay? And this is our eye cream, and I'm going to take just a little bit of that. And I don't rub around my eyes a lot, y'all. I just kind of blot it around there. And this really helps with crow's feet and puffiness and things like that around your eyes. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And so, this is what I use at night. Let me grab the daytime cream and I'll show y'all. This is your basic skincare collection. This is your 3-in-1 cleanser, your daytime moisturizer, your PM moisturizer, and your eye cream. And all of our products are so very concentrated that a little dab really does go a very long way, which means these 4 products will last you for months and months and months. It's amazing. And also, I want to share with y'all real fast, I also use our shampoo and conditioner, which again contains Cineplex Complex, which means your hair is getting longer, stronger, and healthier with every use. It is amazing. So I just wanted to share a little bit about that with y'all. This video is like a little over 3 minutes, and I've done my complete skincare. So you know what? You cannot possibly use the excuse that you do not have time to take care of your skin. So, and we have a formula for normal to dry, normal to oily, dry skin, and oily to acne. And it's very important that you're using the right formula for your skin type. So if you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be happy to answer them. If you would like some samples of these amazing products, again, message me and I'll be more than happy to send you some. Anyway, I hope this helps you guys out. And ladies, please take care of your skin, okay? Because if you don't, it's not going to take care of you. Because I have seen a dramatic change in my skin since I began using these products. You know what? I'm getting younger by the minute. Are you? Y'all have a good evening and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all give me a call and I'll hook you up with the good stuff. Peace out for now.